All right, here we are. We have the bin of fun with our frictions lab. In the bin of fun, we'll have the LabQuest veneer. We will have a content card with the fabrics folded up neatly with the content card, the block of fun, and the anti-bullying string, and the dual range force sensor. Make sure that the force sensor is on plus or minus 10 newtons. Looking over at the LabQuest, we can see that the sensor needs to be calibrated to 0. To do that, we are going to go to Sensor 0. So our sensor is calibrated, our veneer is up and running. The first thing that you'll notice is the duration is 10 seconds. I would suggest that you change the duration to 15 seconds. And that we do the sampling rate at 10 samples per second. Then press OK. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to start off with fabric number 1, black wool. You're going to take the black wool, you're going to put it down. You're going to put your block on it. You're going to take your anti-bullying string, hook it up to the force sensor, and then you're going to press collect data. We're not concerned with how long we get the data, just that we get the block in a constant velocity. Pull gently. I think I did a pretty good job, so I'm going to stop. Next, I'm going to look at what my force was at constant velocity. So I'm going to go to Analyze, Statistics, Force. Analyze, Statistics, Force, after I've highlighted it. And I'm going to copy down the mean of the sliding friction, which is 0.015. Next, I'm going to do another run. So again, I'll set up, go press the collect data. Reach constant velocity, hit stop. Highlight, Analyze, Statistics, Force, and write down my mean. Now I'm going to do the third trial. The third trial I'm going to capture. Every third trial I'm going to capture, and I'm going to put it right here in this filing cabinet. At the end, it's going to store all 3 of those, and I'm going to print off 3 line graphs. Here's my last and final trial. So I'm going to start, constant velocity. I'm going to let this go the full 15 seconds. I'm going to highlight, Analyze, Statistics, Force, and write down my mean. Then I'm going to store it right here. I'm going to do the trial of my next 2 fabrics. So I'm going to get out fabric number 2. And if you can see right here it says run number 1. That's my number 1 fabric. That's my 100% wool. My run number 2 is going to be the 40% acrylic, 25% wool. And that run, that's going to be the third trial, and I'm going to press that, and it's going to save fabric 2 under run 2. And then whenever I do fabric 3, it's going to do the same thing. Let's say that this is my third trial of fabric 2. Let me show you what it's going to look like. I'm going to hit collect data. I'm going to do a steady pull. I'm going to let go the full 15 seconds. So, pretending that this is trial 3 of my number 2 fabric, I'll store it. And what storing it does is it is going to put both sets of data on the same graph. So it's easier to look at the graph and analyze which one has higher kinetic friction. If you get stuck, let me know, and thank you very much. Have a good day.